Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is the portion I have highlighted in my yesterday's live stream. If you have still not joined my live stream, please do it. I usually live stream around 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Timing. Usually we discuss the market and I give reply to your question. Live stream channel link is in description. I have highlighted this portion as it looks like gold was forming a double top that time. And before the US released in unemployment claims and Philly Fed manufacturing index, we were discussing on that candle. After data, gold made low around 1855. Even though our support was just 1858, I refused our subscribers in live stream to not to sell, even though market broke the resistance, because that time I was looking like market is crashing due to data and we had to wait till market sustain below our support. It didn't sustain our support and bounced back and tested around 1870 once again. Now, after that, gold again tried to break the support of 1858 and made low around 1856, and yet gold bounced back above 1858. So that is why I always recommend you to join live stream, because sometimes levels can be broken, but that time we have to watch all the events before concluding the trend. So what is the resistance and what is the support today? Let's find out. Now 1854 will act as support. If market break 1854 and sustain below that level, then expect gold prices to test up to 1848 and 1840. Resistance still stands at 1878. If market break 1878 and sustain above that level, then expect gold prices to test up to 1890 and even $1,900 is also possible. Currently, as you can see, gold prices are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver prices. These are the levels from yesterday. We have to tweak those levels, so I'm gonna delete it first. Yesterday, after the data, silver broke support of 2485 and made low around 2468. Even that time I have advised my subscribers not to go for sell, because that time data was triggering the selling prices. After that, it finally recovered up to $25, and as you can see, it is still trading 2491. So what is the support and what is the resistance? Let's find out. 2470 will act as support now. If market break 2470 and sustain below that level, then expect silver prices to test up to 2450 and 2420. Resistance will be now at 2515. If market break 2515 and sustain above that level, then expect 2550 and 2580. Currently, silver trend is flat, so trade accordingly. And today is Friday, so make sure you square off all your position before closing. I strictly not recommend to trade and hold for weekends, because weekends can be messy sometimes. Let's move on to crude oil price. These are the levels from yesterday, so I'm just gonna delete them. Crude oil is trading $79, and it looks like we might have to deal with another double top in crude oil prices, as you can see. So what is the resistance and what is the support? Let's find out. We will have to keep in mind that it looks like a double top. So let's find out. 7950 will act as resistance now. If market breaks 7950 and sustain above that level, then expect crude oil prices to test up to $80 and $81. 7790 will act as support now. If market breaks 7790 and sustain below that level, then expect 77 and $76. Currently, crude oil is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to euro. Then we will see pound and Bitcoin. MCX level will not be uh, covering today because MCX is closed. Euro is trading 33.55 after making high around 33.75. Our paid signals target was 33.73 and it almost just tested 74 and now trading at 33.55. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is flashing on your screen right now and also available in description. Now it is trading 33.55. Interestingly, it is still have a resistance to break, but the support can be changed and the support now stands at 1330. Resistance is still 1380. The trend, you know that it is in positive zone, so no need to change the trend. Since yesterday it was in positive zone, so let's move on to pound. This is pound, and again no need to change the levels. Levels will be remain same. Since yesterday it is trying to break the resistance, but again it is not able to break the resistance, and even support is still intact, so no need to change the levels. We will stay with those levels only. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. These are the levels from yesterday. Finally support has been broken and now we need to tweak the levels for Bitcoin. So let's tweak the levels then. Bitcoin is trading in weak zone since I think 2-3 days, and if you are watching my video continuously, we have concluded that below 64,000 I think it was in weak zone. So if you are enjoying Bitcoin levels, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment. 59,300 will act as resistance now. 54,250 will act as support now. And of course, the trend is still negative, so trade accordingly. And if you are still enjoying the video and if you find this video useful, please give a like. And for my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. Do remember to tune in for live streaming. I usually live stream around 6:30 p.m. From 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Timing on my streaming channel. Streaming channel link is in description. Now I will see you in evening before US market open. Till then, take care. Bye bye.